Namaste, I'm Mini and welcome to my channel Food Atomic. Today we are making one of the yummiest starter recipe ever, mushroom Manchurian. Once you learn this, trust me, you would want to make it again and again. It's perfect if you're a mushroom lover, also it's vegan. But before we get started, if you're new here, I make easy vegan recipes, and if you'd like to see more of these videos, please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon so you get notified every time I post a new recipe. Let's get started. I have taken around 250 grams of portobello mushrooms, washed them thoroughly, and then set them aside to dry or wipe them using a paper towel. Mushrooms absorb water quickly, so it's important that they are dried completely before frying them. Then separate the stem from the mushroom cap. It is not needed. You can slice the mushroom with the stem if you prefer, but I'm going to fry the stem separately. Slice the mushroom in medium size as it's easier to fry as well as perfect for the Manchurian gravy to coat as well. Now let's prepare the batter for coating the mushrooms. To a big bowl, add 8 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. Then add 3 tablespoons of cornstarch powder, 2 teaspoons of salt or salt as per taste, 2 teaspoons of black pepper powder, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder. Mix all the dry ingredients. You may add or reduce the spices as per your choice or even omit them altogether. Then add water to the flour. We are aiming towards a flowy batter consistency, so add the water gradually and not all together. Try to avoid any lumps. This is the perfect consistency. Then add one mushroom piece in the batter and coat it. Meanwhile, heat oil in a pan to deep fry the mushrooms. Once the oil is hot, switch the heat to medium-high and then add the first mushroom piece to it. Be careful while you're performing this step because the oil might crackle if there is moisture in the mushroom. Also make sure you use fresh mushroom for this recipe as the mushrooms won't get crispy and might end up soggy if they are not fresh. Wait for the mushroom coating to get golden brown and then take it out. Taste the spice and salt level in this piece. If you feel it's not alright, adjust by adding more salt or spices as per your choice to the batter and then proceed with the rest of the mushrooms by adding them to the oil one by one. If you add them together, they will get stuck together, and if you try to separate them, the mushroom will absorb oil. Look at that. This in itself is so yummy, and I end up eating a lot of mushroom pieces while frying them. Time to prepare the sauce. Add 2 tablespoons of oil to a pan. Make sure that the oil is nicely spread across the pan. Add 1 finely chopped medium onion. Fry it with the oil and then let it cook till it turns slightly golden brown. Stir it occasionally so it doesn't stick to the pan. Then add 6 to 7 cloves of grated garlic, followed by 1 medium finely chopped green or red chili. Make sure that the heat is set to low or medium as the garlic gets cooked soon and might get stuck to the pan. Stir fry them for 2 minutes. Then add 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of red chili sauce, 4 tablespoons of ketchup. Give it a mix. Add around 50 ml of water and stir everything. Let it cook over low heat, and meanwhile, let's prepare the cornstarch slurry. To a bowl, add 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. Then add 6 to 7 tablespoons of water and mix it well. Cornstarch will help to thicken the sauce, but don't add too much as it might compromise the flavor of the Manchurian. Add around 2 to 3 tablespoons and no more. Now mix everything well and you'll see that the sauce will start to thicken. At this point, add the fried mushrooms. Now mix them with the sauce till they are evenly coated. My mouth is watering, it smells amazing, and I already know it tastes incredible. Garnish using some spring onion greens and switch off the heat. I can't stress enough how delicious this recipe is and that you have to try it at home as it's so quick and simple to prepare with just few ingredients. This is a perfect appetizer in itself, but you can also pair it with some noodles, fried rice, or roll it in wraps. If you're making this for a party, trust me and fry some additional ones as you will end up eating them while frying. So if you like today's recipe, do give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel Foodatomic. As usual, I have listed all the equipment and ingredients I use in the description section. If you are still looking for more vegan videos, check out this easy pita bread recipe to go with mushroom manchurian. I'll be back soon with another interesting vegan recipe. Until then, bye.